Bosnia's annual New Year's Eve festival is characterized by its unique and fun activities that bring together the local community in an atmosphere full of joy and happiness. The festival begins early in the morning when people gather in the city park near the river to prepare a huge breakfast of scrambled eggs. A large frying pan is used to prepare this meal, where everyone participates in cooking and enjoying the taste of fresh eggs. After breakfast, the celebration continues throughout the day and includes many activities that attract people of all ages. One of the most prominent of these activities is jumping into the river, an exciting and adventurous experience where participants compete to jump in the most creative way. In addition, locals organize barbecues where meat and vegetables are prepared on grills, which adds a family and warm atmosphere to the festival. The day also includes musical performances and traditional games, making the festival a great opportunity for socializing and strengthening ties between members of the community. This festival is considered one of the most important events in Bosnia, as it reflects local traditions and culture and promotes the spirit of cooperation and sharing among people.